Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 European Union Price Indication Directive. So if you are selling the products to the consumers of European Economic Area, then you need to comply with the European Price Indication Directive, wherein you have to display the lowest price offered on the product page within the last 30 days. So using this particular plugin, that's the Magento 2 European Union Price Indication Directive, it would allow you to automatically showcase the previous or the backdated lowest price of the products to the consumers for comparison on the product page itself. So the previously low price for a product is displayed on the product page next to the previously labeled for comparison. As you can see here, we have the previously labeled here, and here you can see the previous price or the previous lowest price. And if I hover my mouse over what's this, you can see this is the lowest price in the last 30 days. So the admin also has the functionality to set up the number of days from the backend within which we can display the lowest previous price to the customers or the consumers on the product page there. And here's the price that is being offered right now, and this is the previously lowest price of this particular product there. So using this particular plugin, the admin can set the maximum duration in days to show the previous price. The admin can set up the title for the tooltip, what's this, so this can be also set up. The label that you can see here, lowest price in last 30 days, this is what we say as configurable, and you can configure it from the backend plugin configuration settings there. The admin can see the price list on the Magento 2 according to the groups as well. The admin would be able to set up the cron to display the minimum price automatically, and the customers will see the minimum price for the respective duration set by the admin there as per the requirement. So in today's video tutorial, we'll see how the previous price is displayed on the product page when the normal price of the product is decreased or increased, and when the special price is offered, and when the group price is offered for a particular product. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, then please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now I'm at the storefront and on one of the products, that's the t-shirt product. Now let's go to the backend panel and let's log into the admin backend panel by entering the username, password and tapping on the sign in button. Now let me go to the particular section, that's the catalog section, and here let me go to the product section, and here I'll be editing the particular product, that's the test product, that's the t-shirt product that we have, and the storefront that we are checking. So let me open the product in the edit mode. So right now you can see that the price is $999 there. The same price is visible here, and you can see that the previous price or the previous lowest price was $80 for this particular product there. Now if I go ahead and I change this price, the normal price, to something else, let's set it as $30, and let's save this particular product. And now if I go to the front end and I refresh this particular product page, let's refresh it up. You can see the current price is $30 and the previously lowest price is $30 as being displayed here. Initially it was being displayed as $80, that was the lowest price, but now the lowest price is $30 in the last 30 days. So the $30 is being displayed to the customer for the comparison there. Now if I go back to the product page in the admin backend panel and I set this price as $100 and I save this particular product once again, and now at the storefront end you can see the previous price that we had set as $30. The lowest price was being displayed as $30 initially when we were offering the product at $999. The previous price was $80 there. Now we have set the lowest price for the product as $30, so the previous lowest price is being displayed as $30. Now in the case then when we have set the price as $100, for example, now let's refresh this particular page. You can see that the right now the price is $100, but the previously this particular product was being offered at $30 itself. So this is how the Magento 2 European Union price indication directive works, and it allows you to automatically showcase the previous or the backdated lowest price of the product to the consumers for comparison on the product page itself. So this was how the previous price is displayed on the product page when the normal price of the product is decreased or increased. Now let's check this in the case of the advanced pricing. So if I go to the advanced pricing, and here we are offering this particular product, for example, at a different pricing here. Let's set it as let's set the product price at $25 as a special price, and from and to values of the special price applicable from and to values have to be, or the dates have to be selected here. And then let's tap here on the done button. So now we are offering this particular product at $25 there, and let's save the product. So we are offering it at $25, so the previously price would be displayed as $25, and the current price would also be displayed as $25 to the customers or the consumers at the front end there. So let the product save itself, and after that let me refresh this particular page here. So here you can see that the regular price of the product is being shown as $100. Right now it's being offered for $25, and the previously lowest offered price for this particular product was $25, and this is the lowest price in the last 30 days being displayed to the customers. Now if I go back to the backend panel there, so here you can see that the price of the product was $100, the regular price was $100, and we were offering it at $25. So the previously lowest price was $25. Before this the lowest price was $30. Now we are providing it at $25, so it's being displayed as $25 there. Now if I remove the special price now, and let's go with the let's set it as, for example, from 25, let's set it as $24 as a special price. Or let's do one thing, let's set it as 30 now as the offered price. Right now the initial actual price was $100, we are now offering it at $30, and let's set it as done, and let's set it as save. So initially you can see that the regular price was $100, we were offering it for $25, and the last or the previous lowest price offered for this product was $25. Now we are offering it for $30. So let's do one thing, let's try and refresh this page and let's see the changes. So here you can see that now it's being offered for $30, and the previous price was, the previous lowest price offered by the particular admin for this particular product was $25 itself. So this particular plugin helps in the case when the customers want to know the previously lowest offered price for a particular product. Sometimes it happens that for example we have a Black Friday, and what the store owners do is that they increase the price of the product and then they offer the discounts on them. Then in that case the consumers would come to know the price fluctuation according to the European Union price indication directive. They'll be able to know whether the particular price that is being offered right now or on discount, whether it's the lowest price for the product or not. So this is how we can check that out using this particular plugin. Now let's go back to the particular product page and let's go to the advanced pricing. Now let me remove the special pricing and let's set it as the customer group price. Let's set it for not logged in customers, the quantity as 1, and the price as let's set it as, right now the price is we have set it as $30. Let's set it as $25, $24. Let's set it as done and let's set it as save, and let's go to the front end once again. So now in this case we should be able to see the previously lowest price for the product as $24 here. So let the product save itself and then I'll be refreshing this particular page. So now you can see that for the not logged in customer, as we have not logged in, we have said the price of the regular price was $100. Now we have offered this particular product on a discount, and we are offering this particular product at $24, and the previously lowest price for this particular product is $24 in the last 1 month. So the customers can see the same variation there. But if in the other case, let's increase the price here from 24 to 30, in that case the customers would come to know that the price being offered right now is greater than the actual lowest price that was being offered previously for this particular product there. So for that, let's go back, and what I'll do is I'll make this group price as, I'll be changing it to from okay, I'll be going to advanced pricing, and I'll set it as $30, and I'll done, and I'll save this particular product here, and I'll come to the front end once again. Now let's refresh the page. So this is how the customers will come to know that the price being offered right now on discount, because this is the discount, regular price is 100 and the discount is being provided, and the lowest price being displayed here is $30, but the actual previous lowest price for this particular product was $24 there itself, right? So that's how this particular plugin, if you are selling the products to the consumers of the European economic area, then you need to basically comply with the European Price Indication Directive, wherein you have to display the lowest price offered on the product within the last 30 days. So this particular plugin will allow you to automatically showcase the previously or the backdated lowest price of the products to the consumers for the comparison on the product page. Now this was the workflow of this particular plugin at the storefront. Now let's hop onto the admin backend panel and let's see the different configuration settings that are there for this particular plugin. For that, I'll navigate to stores, configuration. On the configuration page on the left hand side under the web cool block here, we have the European Union Price Indication Directive configuration, and here you can see the details of the same as well. But one more thing I wanted to show you is before I come down to this particular section, let's go to the product section once again. And here let me open the product in the edit mode. That's the t-shirt product. As I told you that the admin can see the price list on the Magento 2 according to the groups as well. So if I go to the advanced pricing here, if I scroll down, here you can see the European Union Price Indicative Directive table. For the not logged in customers, it's for $24. For general, it's for $25 as per the requirement there, or the lowest price being offered there. Let me cancel this out and let's come down to the configuration settings, and here you can see that we have the European Union Price Indication Directive settings. So here you can enable the European Union Price Indication Directive for your web store by enabling this particular option as yes, and then this would work and this would display the previously lowest price for a particular product on the product page itself. Then we have the maximum duration to apply. Here you can set the maximum duration in days to show the previously lowest price to the customers. Then you can set up the text for what's this. So here's what's this, the text for the same. For example, we have set it as lowest price in the last 30 days. You can set it up as per your own requirement. And to apply the European Union Price Indicative Directive settings, you can apply to the different customer groups as well as per the requirement there. So you can apply it to not logged in, general, wholesale or retail, or whatever customer groups that you have created as per your own requirement. Apart from that, you'll be able to set up the cron to display the minimum price automatically to the consumers there, and you can set up the frequency of the cron settings or the European Union Price Indication Directive schedule there as daily, weekly, monthly as per your own requirement, and you can set up the start time for the same as required. So yes, that was much about the configuration settings for the particular plugin, that's the Magento 2 European Union Price Indication Directive, and I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow of the plugin itself. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.